Welcome to this Riverbed Academy demo. You're about to take a navigation tour of Aternity EUEM. Over the next few minutes, you'll glance at the different ways the Aternity interface puts user experience data at the tip of your fingers. Let's go! Our local user, Brian, is logging on traditionally with his credentials. You can also set up Aternity to integrate with your company's SSO via SAML 2 for a seamless logon experience. We've landed at the EUEM homepage. To get us situated, I'll call out a few major elements of the interface here, which we'll look at in a bit. Our dashboards menu, our search bar, our top menu, and our current dashboard. That is a word you'll see and hear a lot throughout this demo and upcoming courses, the dashboard. In Aternity, Tableau-powered dashboards are the primary mechanism to view and make use of your collected user experience data. So let's start here. What's in a dashboard? Let's pop out this one in a new tab and take a closer look. The objective of this dashboard, the Enterprise Summary, is to provide a bird's-eye view of performance across all users and devices, but also to serve as a springboard to perform deeper analysis. Note that for most dashboards, the data time period can be set at the top right, as we can see here. At the main dashboard area, each panel focuses on a different aspect of performance and uses various visuals to best represent the data underneath. For instance, in the first panel, we see our top applications by usage. Now, this is a default criteria, but you can easily change your topping and sorting. For each application listed here, I want to highlight a couple of key performance quantifiers: the User Experience Index, or UXI, and the Activity Score. These scores aggregate several key metrics to summarize how much pain your users are feeling when interacting with applications. These aggregations are commonplace in several Aternity dashboards to make things simple. High score or green, good. Low score or red, bad. Don't worry, there's plenty of information in the courses ahead to dig deeper into how these are collected, measured, and calculated. For immediate insight into why an application, an activity, or device has a poor score, just hover over, and you'll not only see the offending metrics, but also intuitive next steps in investigation. To quickly zoom into an application or device of interest, just click on its name in a table or chart. An automatic filter will be applied to the rest of the current dashboard to add specific context to every panel. And like with many other clickable dashboard elements in Aternity, deep dive options are displayed to further investigate in a separate dashboard. These are only some of the many dashboards to explore. Let's now take a closer look at the Dashboards menu. All Aternity dashboards are accessible from the top Dashboards menu, or the affectionately called burger button, cause it looks like a burger. From here, available dashboards are grouped in categories, each category representing a major use case. Monitor dashboards provide a quick overview of any application, user, or device, including their performance, health, and individual activities. Troubleshoot dashboards focus on rapid triage of open incidents of applications, devices, users, or groups of users. Validate dashboards help compare the end-user experience and application performance before and after specific changes, such as a new software release or an infrastructure change. Analyze dashboards provide several customizable views for specific use cases, and the ability to create custom dashboards from scratch. Inventory dashboards are a window into your monitored devices, enabling categorization and analysis by different criteria such as age, model, OS, or manufacturer. Benchmark dashboards help to compare the overall IT performance of your enterprise with others from your same or similar industries. Intelligence dashboards help prioritize IT efforts across the enterprise, and focus on the most painful issues for end users. Last but not least, Aternity includes an extensive dashboards library that provides its users with solutions for key use cases, such as collaboration tools analysis and remote work productivity analysis. Again, worry not. You'll get a chance to explore each of these dashboards categories in depth. With some of the basics out of the way, let's take Aternity out for a quick spin. User Adam Covert has called into the service desk, complaining about slow performance. Let's help him out. The top search bar is one of the most powerful features in Aternity. It can point to usernames, application names, and many other attributes to find what you're looking for with minimum context. Here, typing the user's name presents results for his username and devices. Let's open his device troubleshooting dashboard by clicking on its name. In the device troubleshooting dashboard, we can see many valuable details about his experience. The most critical information is typically available at the top of each dashboard, and here Aternity calls out to a critical insight. Adam is being impacted by unusually high wait times on the Outlook application. We'll want to look into this shortly, but first, let's see what Adam's activity performance looks like. From the User Experience tab, we can now see every click from Adam's applications and their qualified response time. Trends and aggregated performance by application is available on the right. Filtering Adam's user experience by the worst rated applications is one click away. Hovering over each activity's performance provides rich information about the causes of slowness. Having checked Adam's activity performance, let's take a closer look at his device and software in the Service Desk dashboard. The Service Desk dashboard is another great first stop to look into a user's pain points. This dashboard helps bubble up potential issues with Adam's device and operating system, and offers instant remediation actions as well. Now, let's head back to our troubleshooting dashboard to look into that Outlook high wait time. Aternity makes it easy to go from a micro to a macro approach, from focusing on one user to the issue impacting them across the entire enterprise. The Insights dashboards provide valuable aggregated intelligence on the impact, trends, and potential causes of wide-ranging issues out of the box. Several types of critical issues are automatically detected by Aternity, from anomalies or deviations in performance from industry benchmarks. Insights can be viewed in the Aternity interface, or you can subscribe to them and receive them in your inbox. But what about when you want to get a little more proactive? Look at that. We have an active performance incident. Let's check it out. Aternity can automatically detect, log, and notify on application performance incidents, and the list of active and historic triggered incidents is always accessible from the top of the user interface. Let's dig into our active SAP incident now. Each incident collects detailed information about the slow activity, timing, and user impact of application performance degradation. To stay on top of device performance, Aternity can also detect hardware degradation conditions via Service Desk alerts, which can be triggered by many types of failure events. When triggered, a Service Desk alert can then take multiple automated actions, such as remediation, notification via email, or creation of a ServiceNow ticket. We're now at the end of this demo, but you can continue exploring the Aternity EUEM interface, its features, and many use cases via the Aternity product tours available from the top menu. Thank you for your attention, and see you next time.